The Dirt Devil Scorpion handheld vacuum cleaner comes in red and is corded. The main unit comes with a handle for you to grip. On one end is the power cord, and on the opposite end is the opening where your dirt will be suctioned and gathered into a chamber. This unit is bagless as it comes with a removable chamber to empty the dirt cup. The larger gray button residing on the top in the center is the filter button. When pressed, the chamber where the dirt cup resides detaches. You can also remove the filter for a rinse. There is a medium-sized gray power button slider situated at the top above the handle. The vacuum cleaner comes with a couple of attachments. There is a 2.5-foot hose that can be inserted to the end of the vacuum cleaner for getting into small crevices and corners. There is also a dusting brush with bristles. This vacuum cleaner can be used by crafters to keep their craft studio clean. It can also be used in your car, your workshop, and places around your home. It can be used on both soft and hard surfaces.